RP Singh on what we've just heard from Dr. Singhvi and the fact that the Congress believes that legally at some point in time in the weeks to come they will be able to get a stay on this conviction. Rahul Gandhi's disqualification will be stayed. He will become a member of parliament again, and in the meanwhile he would have used this opportunity, these court appearances, to hit home his point that opposition leaders are being mistreated on your watch and thereby, in his view, earn some political sympathy. Could this backfire for you?
Well, by doing so, they are challenging the courts also. They are challenging the decision of the court also.
How is that?
I'll tell you, because when the court decision came, they said it's all manipulated. I mean, recently when the court decision earlier came, they said it's all manipulated. And then now they have gone to the same court seeking relief, although they got some relief for some time. Let the court decide whatever they decide. But ultimately, the message was the Jairam Ramesh is on record saying that we don't have faith in Supreme Court. So they are ridiculing the process of the court, and as they have all the right to do so, because they're a dynastic party, and dynastic parties don't believe in democratic processes and democratic systems.
In fact, it was Purnesh Modi, the complainant, who wasn't there in the court today. He seemed to be wanting to delay this rather than Rahul Gandhi.
But ultimately he will have to be in the court. I mean, he could have missed the date, but he had to be in court. But other part is that why carry all this jumbo? Modi ji was also called by the various agencies to investigate, but never such a big crowd.
Give me
another second. Yes. And then also Chief Minister Baghel, Chief Minister Sukhu, Chief Minister Gehlot, they were along with them, and this clearly shows that they are stamping what Mr. Rahul Gandhi has said about OBCs. I mean, it means that all three chief ministers are with Rahul Gandhi on his viewpoint on OBCs and what he has said about OBCs.
But he actually hasn't said that about OBCs in particular, because, and I'll explain to you why. Nirav Modi comes from a Jain community of Palanpur, a small town in the western state of Gujarat. He's actually a Jain. Lalit Modi is a Marwari. So when you're saying he's saying this about OBCs, the people he's referring to actually come from the Jain and the Marwari community.
I'll appreciate if before this debate get over, you play that clip in which he says, "Sare chor Modi ke hote hain."
So he's referring to Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi. One is a Marwari, the other is Jain. You are using this as an opportunity to make it seem like an attack on the OBC community.
Had he ended with this, good enough.
Okay.
He would have even named Prime Minister Fateh. That was he wanted to drive at. But after that, extending it to Sare chor Modi ke hote hain, and that was the problem. And then there is a Modi community which is OBC, which is Teli in Gachi Teli. So it is there.
No, but he's also anyway, that's a political point.
No, give me a second.
Yes.
That's why the court has given a decision. I mean, otherwise they could have challenged this in the court, and it's not that it happened overnight. I mean, it took a lot of time and a lot of hearings in the court and the process of the court, and they could have easily got it. They could have easily challenged this in the court, but they didn't do so.